2026 Honda Goldwing GCT represents a new chapter in the story of one of the most legendary touring motorcycles ever built. For decades, the Goldwing has been the undisputed king of long-distance comfort and power. But now, Honda has taken the Goldwing into the future, with groundbreaking technology, refined engineering, and unmatched luxury. The 2026 Goldwing GCT, short for Grand Comfort Touring, redefines what it means to travel on two wheels. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece of performance, comfort, and innovation designed for riders who live to explore without limits. Engine and performance, power with precision. At the heart of the 2026 Goldwing GCT lies Honda's legendary 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, meticulously reworked for smoother performance and greater efficiency. The engine produces an incredible 125 horsepower and an abundance of torque that surges effortlessly through every gear. Thanks to Honda's latest dual-clutch transmission, DCT, gear changes are seamless and almost imperceptible, whether you're cruising on the highway or weaving through mountain roads. The new Eco-Power mode optimizes fuel delivery for longer rides, while the Sport mode sharpens throttle response for dynamic performance. The addition of variable valve timing and refined cooling systems make the 2026 Goldwing GCT both powerful and environmentally conscious, a rare balance in a heavyweight touring machine. Design and styling, elegance in motion. The 2026 Goldwing GCT combines timeless Goldwing aesthetics with a futuristic design language. Every curve, contour, and detail has been reimagined for improved aerodynamics and visual appeal. The front fairing now features a sleeker, wind tunnel-tested profile that reduces drag and improves stability at high speeds. Honda's signature LED lighting system wraps around the body, giving the bike a commanding road presence even in the darkest conditions. The bodywork is sculpted to blend form and function, directing airflow to keep both rider and passenger cool during long rides. The Goldwing GCT exudes luxury from every angle, a perfect harmony between craftsmanship and cutting-edge design. Technology and innovation, touring in the future. Step aboard the 2026 Goldwing GCT, and you're greeted by a cockpit worthy of a luxury car. A massive 12.5-inch HD touchscreen display provides access to navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and multimedia controls. The bike supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Honda's new RideSmart OS, an AI-powered assistant that responds to voice commands for navigation, music, and communication. The Goldwing GCT features adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and collision mitigation braking, all powered by Honda's advanced radar-based safety suite. These innovations ensure maximum safety and comfort even during long-distance journeys. A premium 10-speaker surround sound system by Bose delivers crystal-clear audio, transforming every re. Comfort and ergonomics, luxury for every mile. The 2026 Goldwing GCT was built for ultimate comfort. The dual-zone climate control system allows both rider and passenger to set their own temperatures, while the heated and ventilated seats make even the longest rides a pleasure. Honda has redesigned the seat contour and foot peg placement to reduce fatigue on multi-day rides. Suspension comfort has also been elevated with an electronically controlled adaptive suspension that automatically adjusts damping in real time based on road conditions and load weight. The taller windscreen, now electronically adjustable, provides better wind protection, while the newly designed aerodynamic mirrors minimize turbulence. Every detail of the GCT's ergonomics has been engineered for perfection. Safety and stability, confidence at every turn. Safety is one of the defining elements of the 2026 Goldwing GCT. Honda has equipped this machine with Ride Vision 360 degrees, a radar and camera-based awareness system that detects nearby vehicles and alerts the rider to potential hazards. The cornering ABS, traction control, and linked braking system ensure stability under all conditions. The new low-speed assist system helps maneuver the heavy touring machine easily in parking lots or tight city spaces. Meanwhile, the reverse gear with hill hold assist provides extra control on inclines. These technologies give the Goldwing GCT an unmatched sense of confidence and control, no matter where the road leads. Storage and practicality, ready for the long haul. Honda knows touring riders value practicality as much as performance. The 2026 Goldwing GCT features an expanded luggage capacity of 65 liters, including redesigned panniers and a smart rear trunk with hands-free access. The compartments are weather-sealed and equipped with soft close functionality, ensuring your belongings stay safe and secure in all conditions. There's also wireless charging ports, USB-C outlets, and a dedicated cooling compartment for drinks. Every feature, from the lighting to the locks, has been carefully designed to enhance convenience during long journeys. The Goldwing GCT isn't just a touring bike, it's a traveling companion. Performance on the road, grace and power combined. On the open road, the 2026 Goldwing GCT feels both powerful and refined. The improved chassis geometry and lighter aluminum frame provide excellent handling despite its size. The bike glides effortlessly through corners, and the suspension absorbs every bump and imperfection with elegance. The refined exhaust system produces a deep, satisfying note that complements its performance without being intrusive. Honda's attention to balance and control makes the Goldwing GCT feel smaller and more manageable than it looks, a testament to its advanced engineering. Conclusion: the future of touring has arrived. The 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT is more than just an upgrade, it's a revolution in the world of luxury T.